was why I waited for the student to go so that I would see you about this stuff.
Oh man, I want to ask you something. All these rubbish and Copper Frank and Copper New, they are new in this school.
Okay.
Are you not seeing them?
Like what?
They useless our students. All the kids in our class, they become useless. They useless then when we have tests, they will give them mark 10 over 10 sort of mark. And which is better will maybe affect our school.
Okay. Thank you so much. I will work on it. Okay?
Ma, please, so.
Don't worry.
You know, if our school for now,
I will work on it. Thank you. Alright.
Please. And the one that is pending me again is the one, the test that we did yesterday.
Don't worry. I will work on it.
Okay, ma, better work on it.
Alright. Okay, please come. What's that your name again?
My name is Shannon from St.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So, Miss, what was your score in the previous test? I mean, the biology test.
I don't know now. What do you expect me to? After all, that man, Frank, just didn't come to class and learn schools. Don't even know our answer script. How will I learn schools? I don't know.
I don't know what he's doing with them. Using them like a toilet tissue.
I think that man like the plan. Don't you listen to his statement whenever he announces the scores and asks us to come and see him, especially the guests, and that is ever did.
Hey! See me, don't die.
Could you imagine? Could you imagine the other day? He asked me to come and see him in the staff room. Then I went there. He now asked me to come and see him in his lodge.
And did you go?
Did I go? Did you expect me to go?
I know you didn't go now. I know you didn't go that day. You see it? Well, I don't see anything wrong if the man asks you to come to his lodge to come and see him. Maybe he probably wants you to come and collect the school before.
Okay, there is no problem. If he asks you to come and see him, then go and see him. But as for me, Rose, I'm not going.
He haven't asked me now until he asked me. You know if I'll go or not.
I beg. Look, others has gone out for break. I'm going out for break.
Now you don't understand. You're not going to go. Stay here. You make it better.
It does not matter. Agnes, you got everything right. But you have to use what you have to get what you want. I am still Frank. I will cancel all this nonsense. Tell me. This girl is very, very intelligent. Now, wow. Hey, Mercy. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What keeps you so long?
So I'm sorry I was copying a little late at school.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem. Are you done with meeting?
Yes, sir. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No. Don't mention. There is no need of wasting time. Let's go in so that I can find you something to eat or drink. I hope you will like it. This direction. You are welcome, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
So you've been to Rosie's house and she's not there.
I'm coming from Rosie's house, and she says she's not there. Even I've gone to all his friends' house, she's not going to be found.
So did you ask them? Nobody knows about her whereabouts.
I asked them, but they said they don't know, they don't see her.
Hey! Hey!
Mama, stop crying. She will soon come back. Why are you crying?
This is strange. Strange. I don't understand what is happening.
Stop crying.
She has never behaved in this manner before. Never.
She will soon be back. Huh?
Was she in the school till dismissal hour?
I think yes, Mama. She was at school. She was even the one that said the dismissal prayer.
She even said the dismissal prayers.
And I was going, I asked her to go with me. She said she has a note to copy at school. And I left her. That was her.
Mercy, my daughter. Must she copy that note in school at that hour?
I don't know, Mama. I asked her, let's go. She refused. She said she has a note.
And you, Ebuka, your sister was in the school copying her note. And you proudly left her. You left her and came back here. You.
Mama, I asked her, let's go. She said she has a note. And you know the exam is approached. Do you want me to force her?
You left her.
I have nothing to do, Mama. My mind telling me that she will soon be back. Stop crying. I pray that she will soon be back.
We have to do something before it's late.
I don't know what we have to do, but I think we should go to school and look for her.
Yes, you're correct.
We have to go and complain at school.
Yes.
Because I don't know what to do again. I've checked for her two of her friends. I don't know what to do again.
Yeah? What was your last score in our test? I scored 8 over 10.
8 over 10?
Yeah. And what of you? What did you score?
9 over 10.
Yeah, that's good.
At least I tried. I passed.
But my worst fear is mathematics. You have mathematics tomorrow. And you know I'm not good in mathematics.
That man own is the worst.
I pray that I will make it. I'll pass mathematics. I won't promise mathematics. I won't promise mathematics. I don't know how to write it, but I don't understand anything.
Good afternoon. How is your studies? Please, I'm looking for Mercy.
She's not in school.
Ma, you have not seen her since yesterday.
You've not seen her
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know the Mercy I'm talking about?
Of course we know Mercy. Mercy is fair in complexion
And she's slim.
and she looks exactly like you, ma.
I mean Mercy Odemba.
We know her,
And she looks exactly like you, ma.
Okay, no problem. Is your principal around?
Yes, our principal is around.
And where is her office?
Just
That block.
my sister, Mercy.
Uncle, what's your fancy rose?
Oh, Auntie Mercy.
Yes, sir.
Your namesake.
Yes, sir.
She has gone to Bible study.
Wow.
I hope you are enjoying your time.
And you didn't go to Bible study?
No. I hope you are enjoying your time.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy it. Hey, my sweetheart.
So what are you looking for? Is it the news?
Yes, exactly. I want to bring it.
Are you looking for the news?
There's love in sharing. I like it though. if I was you slap me, come my friend, get up from there. Mercy. Mercy. Mercy.